Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the pixel app, select the text it be written, size the letter, font of letter, duplicate the letter, change the color of letter, select another color, adjust the color, select the 3D shape, duplicate the letter, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.